Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain JITSU Drive delivery app review to save with what using. JITSU Drive is a delivery app designed for drivers who want flexible hours and a way to earn by delivery packages in their cities. It lets you view available routes in advance, book the ones you want, and then follow a clear delivery path. The app handles payment directly and deposit your earning quickly, sometimes in just a few days. Make it a convenient side gig if you want a car and some spare times, but it's not perfect. Some drivers says there aren't always enough route available. Cancellation can happen at the same last moment, but payment isn't always worth the effort. There are a report of poor communication from support and confusing route instruction. So what JITSU Drive can be a flexible way to make a bit of extra cash, it may not be reliable enough to be in a main income. And that's it.